Right now with our legal analyst, attorney John Tompkins, to get his perspective. John, again, thank you for joining us today.
John, that clinical psychologist was on the stand today, according to our reporters in the courtroom, testifying that she had ultimately had a personal interest in the case. She admitted to being on social media pages and really having these wide discussions about this case while having a direct connection to Richard Allen. How might this impact her credibility with the jurors?
Well, in a couple of different ways. First, does she have a personal interest or bias in her 15 minutes of fame, so to speak? And second, how much information did she convey to him? Everybody's talking about how much he said to her, but she's talking to him in those sessions as well.
Interesting that the prosecution introduced testimony from that property owner who seemingly was trying to corroborate what the psychologist had testified. Obviously, the prosecution views this confession given to the psychologist as something that is key to their case.
Absolutely, and the bigger question is going to be how much of that property owner's testimony and facts exist in the discovery that Mr. Allen saw, therefore giving him those facts without having to experience the event.
So in other words, very quickly, that testimony could be tainted because Richard Allen could have access to it, and it could almost be a self-fulfilling prophecy?
Right. If he's just repeating what he read in the discovery, it's not someone who knows it from a separate source.
And let's talk more about the credibility of these alleged confessions. We know that he had been in an isolated cell. He had been a part of this psychiatric facility. So what standards are typically used to assess someone like Richard Allen's credibility when we know that there are all of these extenuating circumstances?
Right. Can the jury believe the statement of someone who's undergoing psychiatric care in the middle of other behavioral clues that he can't keep it together? Can they believe that beyond a reasonable doubt? That will be the big question.
Yeah.
All right, John Tompkins, we appreciate your time. Thank you for your insight today.
Thank you.
As always, CBS 4 will bring you updates on the Delphi murders trial on air and online. Just head to cbs4indy.com/Delphi. You can also click on the Delphi murders trial tab at the top of our homepage.